Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a police cooldown script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and over here you can see the status of the city is inactive over here. So to open the police cooldown command, you just need to type /PRIO, and over here you can see this is the cooldown panel, and you can show the police active status through this menu. So let's click on the city safe over here. Through this, we can let the civilians know that city is safe now. Make sure you have the police job to access this menu. So I have the police job over here. So let's assume if the police meeting is going on, then you just need to change the status to police meeting over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.